You having fun? What you listening to? You don't know. You gotta have some better dance moves than that. What you eating on?
I'm drinking some lemonade.
What kind of lemonade?
Pink lemonade.
Some pink lemonade. What kind of pizza you eating?
Macaroni and cheese pizza. And some pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Yep.
Who is that over there?
Mia.
Who is Mia?
Her.
That's kin to you? That's your cousin?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too. Hi everybody.
Hey, mama. Nevaeh. That's my child. Say bye.